How to clear your browsing data on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram application, then you go down and you go to your profile and opening it. Then when your profile is opening, as you see, go to this three line and click. Then you go to settings and click. Then go to account and click. Then go to browser settings and you will find the first option, browsing data. You will click at the right. You click on this option, clear, and then click on clear browsing data. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel in app, and see you next videos.